Alright guys, today we're going to be looking at an engine filter replacement for all Audi A4 B8s. Start off this install by both locating and unplugging the mass airflow sensor. This clamp will be a 7mm socket. Remove the intake pipe. Do not forget to plug the pipe as well. Next, grab a T30 Torx with at least a 6 to 8 inch extension. Remove all of the T30 Torx screws. Another quick tip for you guys, you actually don't need to fully take out the screws. Instead, just loosen them enough to where you can get the top cover off. Pulling the screws completely out could result in you dropping one of them in the engine bay. Remove the top cover. A flathead screwdriver is a great way to pry this up. It's hard to see from the lighting, but there was quite a significant amount of debris in the filter. The top of the cover was also quite dusty. Vacuum the bottom portion of the cover. Install the new air filter. Apply pressure to all four corners of the filter to ensure that it's seated correctly. Reinstall the top cover. Reinstall the 6 T30 Torx. Make sure these are quite tight. I've read on the forums that it's possible for your vehicle to throw an error code if the airbox is not properly sealed. Reinstall the intake piping. Reinstall the 7mm clamp. Finally, reinstall the mass airflow sensor and make sure the tab's clicked in. And that's it. Hey guys, thanks again for watching. Any other questions, definitely let me know. Feel free to leave a comment and see you on the next video.